Okay, this is a laptop. I'm coming to replace the battery. The first thing you have to take out all the screws at the back of the laptop. So many screws, make sure you take out all the screws. Make sure you remove all the screws back of the laptop. Okay, it's only these two last screws here. You just open them, but don't need to remove them because they have clip under it. So just open the screw, but don't remove it. Just leave it there. These two at the edge, they have clip under. Okay, the other ones you can take out all if you want. After you take out all the screw, then you open the clip. Just remove the cover on top. Okay. Then remove these two screws, and this one is here to take out the battery. Okay, disconnect the battery terminal from here. Okay, remove the battery. Here is the clip. Okay, then you remove the cable from the battery inside. Just remove it inside like this. Okay, then you put it on the new one like this. Push it inside very well. Very nice like this. Okay, then you put the battery terminal inside first. Very nice. Then you put the battery, make sure you put the clip inside there. Then you replace all the screw back you take out. Replace back the cover you take out. So you close all the clip. Okay. Then you replace all the screw back you take out. Make sure you place all the screw back, okay? After you place all the screw, you put the laptop on charge, okay? You make sure it charges full charge before you use the laptop so you don't spoil the new battery inside, okay? When your laptop is charging, okay, you can on it to just test and see everything is okay. But you don't need to use the laptop, you have to turn it off, okay, because new battery, it charges full charge 100% before you start using the laptop so you don't spoil the new battery inside, okay? Now the laptop is on, that means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.